November 11, around 8 o'clock. I wanted to follow up with this filter that I installed for the Samsung machine. So this one lasted 10 loads or less, maybe 7 loads. So the sediment penetrates through and then it clogs the pores of the filter. So now the water now have a difficult time moving from the outside to the inside toward the machine. And I work at cleaning them, the surface. So that's why it look like this. But the challenge is not the surface, but the entire thickness of the filter is clogged. I can't. The water doesn't go from the inside, outside to the inside anymore. It's totally clogged. This one too. So I bought two, and didn't even last a month. I just want to say that from my experience, don't do this. Although it's not that expensive, the expense I'm getting through is the frustration. The water, the water is really full of sediments, and I have been using unfiltered water to do things like taking a shower, brushing teeth, cooking, rice. They're actually unfiltered. So when I look at these, I'm adding sediments, minerals to my diet when I'm cooking, when Nelly is cooking. So my advice, I actually don't know what to say as an advice, but my thought is I need to have a settling tank where the water will settle, and then from the settled water, of course, all of the sediment, minerals will be at the bottom of the tank. And then somewhere in the middle of that settling tank, I would be drawing water from. So if you add, even if you do add a bigger filter, I don't know how long that would last. I mean, if this thing doesn't last a month, I suppose a bigger filter would last a month, and then change the filter once a month, or until there's no more water going into the tank, which consumes energy. So pay for electricity or pay for the filter, which one's cheaper? So I don't know what to say. It seems to me the answer seems to be a settling tank.